Welcome to the Crash Course Seminar in Procurement and Ship Supply, a professional development seminar developed in collaboration with ISSA, the International Ship Suppliers and Services Association. The ISSA education program is designed and developed by the World Maritime Academy for ship suppliers, procurement officers, and maritime professionals seeking to strengthen their expertise. Why this course? Ship supply is at the heart of global operations. Every procurement decision impacts efficiency, cost, and quality. This course equips professionals with both practical skills and strategic insights to thrive in this demanding field. You'll gain a complete overview of procurement in the maritime industry, from understanding the fundamentals to applying sourcing strategies and integrating procurement into overall business objectives. This intensive course comprises 4 insightful sessions that will equip you with practical knowledge. Session 1: Purchasing versus Procurement. Session 2: The Ship Supply Cycle. Session 3: Spare Parts and Services, and Session 4: Procurement Strategy and Objectives. This course is tailored for ISSA members, ship suppliers, procurement officers, logistics professionals, and anyone wishing to enter the exciting world of maritime procurement and ship supply. By attending, you'll learn from experienced educators and practitioners in maritime procurement, gain practical knowledge, and earn a professional certificate. With ISSA's collaboration, this program is uniquely designed for ship suppliers worldwide. This seminar will be led by Ms. Koyani, a recognized expert in maritime procurement and ship supply, together with the World Maritime Academy educational team, expert in training and procurement. Together, they bring both industry expertise and educational excellence to ensure an impactful learning experience. Are you ready to elevate your knowledge and skills in maritime procurement and ship supply? Don't miss this opportunity to enhance your understanding and elevate your role in maritime. Register now and embark on a journey to confidently navigate the complexities of global commerce.